She no like it, y'all are naughty, but she go chop if you give her cucumber.
Like, I'm loving it. It's bomb. What lace though? Like, what lace? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how I install this gorgeous unit that I'm wearing from YUESI Hair on Amazon. This is their 10-inch Brazilian straight unit in the density of 150%. It's a 13 by 4D parting space lace unit. So if you are interested to see how I installed this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the unit that I'm going to be installing today is from YUESI Hair on Amazon. This is their Brazilian straight wig in the length 10 inches. This unit is a 150% density unit. It has a 13 by 4D parting space. However, this unit did not come pre-plucked, so I went in and I plucked the unit to my liking, and I also bleached the knots. So a bit about the cap construction of this unit. It has 3 combs behind of the lace, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps. So let's jump right into the install process. This is the wig right here. I already bleached the knots on this unit and I already pre-plucked the hair. A little disclaimer, this unit is not beginner friendly, so if you're new to wigs, I wouldn't recommend this unit. The hair did not come pre-plucked. You have to do a lot of plucking, which I did not like, but for $50 it was worth the money. And as you can see, this is how the lace looks now after I finish plucking it and everything. So I'm going to be taking my black opal foundation and I'm going to be applying it into the knot of this unit. So what I like to do, I just like to pat it in because it's a stick foundation, and then I'm going to take my brush and just brush it out so all over has the foundation. So after adding the foundation into the knot, I'm just going to adjust the straps to the back. So I'm just cutting off the extra lace to the back portion before I apply this unit. You can always wear this wig as a glueless unit. And one thing I like about this unit is that the knots on this unit, you guys, are pretty fine. Let me part it and show you guys. It looks really realistic, which I love. I'm just going to pin this unit up and cut off my air tabs area. My wig on this side and cut the rest of the lace off. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut down in the center part. So I'm going to be taking my rubbing alcohol to get rid of any excess makeup. So after cleaning the excess makeup, I'm just going to pull forward the wig and I'm going to take this pencil liner. I'm just going to dot out where the wig is going to lay. So basically I'm going to just use my Esha Absolute Glue and I'm going to be using 2 layers of this glue. So I'm going to be applying 2 layers of the Esha Absolute Glue today. After I finish laying the first layer, I'm going to leave that until it dries, and then I'm going in with another coat of the glue for extra hold. After that, I'm going to just blow dry it until it's tacky, and then I'm going to pull the lace onto it. And after I have everything the way I want it, I'm just going to blow dry the hair. So after I finish blow drying my hair, I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Free Spray to just set everything together. Okay, and I like to use my Black Opal foundation to perfect the knot of this unit. Leave that on my hair for like probably 30 minutes. So I'm going to just cut off the extra lace. Let me just start to cut this. Going to just curl the unit a bit to give it a bump. So you guys, after I finish curling my hair, I am just going to do some baby hair. I'm not going to do much baby hair because I don't want too much baby hair. As you guys can see, like, what lace to what lace. I'm going to be using this palette right here, and I'm just going to buff this powder. Should I do baby hair? Should I not? Still contemplating, but your girl needs her baby hair. So okay, so let me take out some hair. Take my Blast Free Spray, spray it in my hand, and just pat it on. So I'm going in with my holy grail, and I'm going to lay my baby hair. You guys, this hair is giving me like this is actually what I envisioned the hair to look like. My palette again and put some powder into the parting area. So this is the end result, you guys. So you guys, this is the end result of my step-by-step install. This unit is from YUESI Hair on Amazon. The price for this unit, it retails for $47.59. It is not a beginner friendly wig because I had to do a lot of plucking when it comes to this unit, but overall for the price and everything, it's a good unit and I am loving this curl. Like, I'm loving, like, the hair is pretty soft. It's bomb. What lace though, like what lace. Like, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next video.
Cover me like babushka. Booty like to get my kiwa, and your body the different.